of May, and this is a Thursday, and again today I'm just going out to receive the daily meal of the animals. The Human Society International vehicle has arrived, and they brought stuff for them. And here you can just see that they're already there munching these furry friends. And Kalu also came here, and he might be also just come in here to just have some chapatis. How good chapatis? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है भाई.
No,
Nothing.
roti to
Look, देखिए, look. So आप क्या दे रहे हैं आज जो है?
पेडिग्री रोटी दे रहे
अच्छा अच्छा. So
हैं.
today we are very much fortunate that today we are getting chapatis and pedigree. So we are very grateful to God that He has sent us this thing for these lovely sweet animals. Bolo, hello, bolo. So I'm waiting here to just to take this consignment. And here's a Dorothy. Dorothy, आपने खाया? खाया आपने Dorothy? Yeah. So it's good. And you can see that there are some more animals. Okay. हो गया? So today I've got this thing, chapatis, half bucket chapatis, and one pack of pedigree. So that's how we will manage today. अरे रुक जाओ बताओ यार कुछ है नहीं अभी जो है. I have nothing to give you right now, girl. Will give you, but afterwards. Not now. It's not for you. It's not for you. I'm sorry. You can just see that Kalu, she's not ready to just leave me. अरे अश्विनी जी इधर आना. अरे है नहीं कोई है ना. There's no one. Okay, just wait a minute, girl. Just wait a minute. I'll give you, but not now. Not now. So with this, I'm just signing off, and I'll get back with you soon in the evening. Till then, रुको बेटू रुको. You can just see that how stubborn she is. How stubborn she is. Kalu, look. Actually, I'm very much sorry that Kalu might be he's a boy, so I should refer him as a boy. So sometimes I just forget him that he's not a girl, he's a boy. So that's why I said that I'm going to give her, but it was my mistake. So I've just corrected my mistake, and he's a boy. Let me make it very much clear that he's a boy, and see how these cattle are now enjoying the chapatis. I'll give you more. Wait. So here's the more chapatis. I'm just gonna give them so that they can not munch, and afterwards we'll give more when I'll go out to distribute the food. Because if I'll give them this right now, so this whole thing would get finished. So which is not good, which would be a partiality with other animals. So I cannot do that thing. So hopefully you like this video, and as I said before a while ago, that I'm gonna sign it off, and we'll get back again soon in the evening with another video when I'll just distribute the food. You can just see me. Okay, bye.